Hello, friends. Welcome to Squaird Plans, where creative planning and organization comes to life. I'm Stephanie, and today I'll be setting up my holiday planner section in my Frankenplanner. I'll show you how I'll modify my planner setup, as well as get started on some holiday planning. So let's jump in. And I've got some washi tape here ready to go, along with this roll of washi tape stickers, these brush pens that I may be using, along with my Friction 4-color pen, these Happy Planner sticker books, and this Plan Anything sticker book, which I'll pull from. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and printed out my holiday planner for 2024, and I'll just quickly flip through it so you can see the pages that I'll be working with. I basically printed out just the pages that I needed, and I also backed things up the way that worked best for me. So many of the pages in there have both sides, left and right, so you can do whatever you want as far as the makeup of your planner. I did holiday notes on the back of some of my creative planning inserts, just a couple of ways that you can customize this planner to your needs. And okay, so I'm going to do a little bit of decorating here just to kind of show you how I customize the decor in my planner. I did this a little bit last year as well. It's pretty much the same process. I don't do wax paper or anything like that. I just kind of see what I have going on and try to work in some decor in and around the functional space that I need. I also like to use functional stickers whenever possible so that everything kind of looks cute but also serves a function. I have a few books from the Happy Planner with some smaller stickers, like mini size stickers, which work really well in this planner, specifically for the single page monthlies. So I'll be setting that up using some of the stickers there. I have a cheat sheet, which is right there on the right side of the page. And I basically just kind of copied down the major events and things that I want to have on this so I don't forget anything. I definitely want to mark out the holidays, so I'll be doing that really quick. I'm looking for some boxes and things to make that work. I also have a friend visiting earlier in the month, so I'm going to use some washi tape up there to just denote those days where she'll be here and make sure that I plan some fun for us during that time. I'm also just writing in right now Thanksgiving Day down below, as well as Black Friday in those boxes I put down. I wasn't real sure exactly how I was going to create my organization tier. Just trying to think of a word to describe what I mean, but basically like the hierarchy, I guess, of holidays versus birthdays versus things that I want to do, holiday bucket list type stuff. And so what I ended up doing was, for the most part, highlighting the holidays somehow in either a box or a sticker or something. And anything that was kind of more my normal routine, just days that I have something going on that I don't want to forget, I'm just using a plain black ink. Also, if there's something I want to remember but isn't really like a major holiday like daylight savings time, I just wrote in, and election day, I put that in caps and black. And then I also plan to add in some holiday bucket list items, which I think I'm going to be using red to highlight those, just to bring those to my attention, along with maybe green for birthdays. So that's what I'm thinking. And I started writing things in and then took a break because I was like, I need more decor. So I went ahead and found some stickers in the Plan Anything sticker book. That one was from last year. I believe it's called the Holiday something. I already forgot, but it'll be down below in the description, along with any other sticker books I have links for and materials I end up using. I'm actually in a super old Happy Planner sticker book right now and pulling out just some pre-made stickers that have bucket list style items on there like shopping for holiday gifts and decking the halls. Those are things that I plan to do every year, so I'll just put those in as stickers, make it kind of cute and festive. Looking through here, see if there's anything else I want to add in specifically from this sticker book, but I'm not seeing exactly what I need. I do need a Christmas sticker, so I'm going to put that to the side. I saw a Christmas Eve sticker that I may be able to use. And now I'm back into, I think this one is the Merry Christmas mini sticker book from Happy Planner from a number of years ago, maybe like 2022 or maybe even 2021. I pulled out a fun confetti sticker for marking out when my friend is coming to visit. I didn't really have the perfect solution for some of these, so I just made whatever I had work from these books. And since that confetti sticker had already confetti within it, I thought it would be good to kind of tie it all together, adding that confetti down below on those next days, just to denote when she will be here. And I had put some washi tape in those empty days, and so I'm trying to see how I can add a little bit more decor in there just to make it look cuter. Came across in that Play Anything sticker book this group of girls sticker that's like really small but just perfect for me and my friend. So I'm going to put it in here on Sunday during the time that she's visiting. They're dancing, and there's like an old record player as well as just some other little holiday items. So I'm trimming it down a little bit so it's not so chaotic right there. But I love that sticker just for that time period because we like to have fun when, when we're together. Finding some more stickers just again add some decor. And in this holiday sticker book from Play Anything, it kind of spans the winter holidays, meaning like Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So there's a lot of different stickers in there that I can pull in during this time. And as you can see, I lost some footage. I just forgot to turn my camera back on. I don't know what I was doing, but I went ahead and decorated the back as well, which is full of December, using all those same techniques that I mentioned. I have a black and white washi there that is spanning my Planmas time this year. I'm going to do it before Christmas because I have a feeling we're going to get crazy with relatives around Christmas, like after Christmas. So I definitely think I'm going to have to do it before Christmas this year, even though I really liked last year's after Christmas 12 days of Planmas. But we're going to do what we got to do. I'm figuring I'm going to have to take some vacation too after Christmas, so it'll be nice to have all those videos up for you guys to look at your leisure when you have time, because I know the holidays are crazy. I also added a box sticker for Christmas and cut down that one Christmas Eve sticker I mentioned earlier. Added a few stickers down there, and I just whited out the empty days at the end of the month, kind of mirror how it was on November with that plaid washi, and we'll add some decor in as well. Saw this really cute sticker of a girl just kind of chilling with her cup of something yummy, and that is going to be me. So I thought that was a perfect sticker for that time. So again, sorry I missed filming this whole setup on this back page, but you'll get to see it a little bit more in detail here as we flip through the planner. Okay, so next what we're going to do is set up my catch-all Frankenplanner as a transformer planner for this holiday section. So the way you do a transformer planner is you take the cover you want to add in and you flip it so that the inside covers are on the outside and the front and the back cover are facing each other. and then you put it right inside of the back cover of the previous planner. So as you can see how the setup is, when you want to get into that section, you are covering your entire planner with a cover, but then when you move on to the next planner, you'll see that that cover can be prominent, and this one is just a section. So I did this last year, and I really thought it worked well as far as creating a holiday focused section in the back of my planner that I could get to when I needed it, but could still have those fall vibes prominent in my planner until the holiday season really hits. So you'll see it a little bit more. I'll kind of flip through it at the end, but that's how you create a transformer planner. And you can add multiple planners in, specifically if you have a lot of planners that you want to show off your covers for. It's a fun way to just add some decor and excitement and keep your covers fresh all year round. So I already dropped in the pages from my 2024 planner printout, and now I'm adding in some extras. I brought in a sticky dash that I made last year. I also added in my holiday media insert that I made previous year, movies, books, music. I've added in my pocket folder that I made 2 years ago, I think. And then finally, my red dashboard that I just love for the holiday season to mark the monthly that I'm in so I can check it daily. As you can see with this transformer planner, you can get a full cover front and back on your catch-all planner at any time. And then, like I said, when you're ready for the fall, I'll show you that as well at the end. It's just a nice, convenient way to have a fun cover ready to go and a way to section off this part of my planner. So next we have the start of the planner. We'll just flip through the pages so you can see how they go together. Got that sticky dash in there along with this insert I made 2 years ago, just for some fun holiday feels. I have this red dashboard, which is super old. I probably won't have a link for it, but it was from the Happy Planner. And then we have my decorated monthly pages. And then we're going to get into the rest of these pages. I have a seasonal event guide, which I'll also be adding some decor to later on. My holiday countdown and checklist front and back, along with my holiday card list. I have my gift giving list. And then my Black Friday list, I have 3 pages of. And then on the back of this one, I have the Cyber Monday, which also I have 3 pages on. 2 was just not enough for me last year, so I needed a third. We've got my holiday order tracker, my event menu planner with holiday notes on the back. I also have my handmade Christmas project sheet with holiday notes on the back. And finally, just some extra holiday notes. Then we have my pocket folder, which I said I had made, I think 2 years ago as well, which is super fun with a little card of extra washi tape for decor. And then, of course, the back cover of my printable. So then you can see that it goes right into the back cover of my fall planner. And if I want to get back to my fall feels, all I need to do is flip it so that I can see my back cover and my front cover for my catch-all. And again, when I'm ready for holiday vibes, this one is ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also, too, go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.